Alright, so this is Fifine's Stream Controller. You can use this for setting up your stream, music, or basically any software that you can connect to this thing. So today we're going to be checking it out and seeing what it's all about, because this thing is only about $60? No, it's not 60 bucks. I've completely lied to you. The thing is actually 55 bucks at the recording of this video. So if you're really looking for a little macro keypad, this one you might want to get. But you know, go ahead on and watch this video first and maybe hit that subscribe button, because you know somebody's got to review this thing, and I think this is probably going to be a keeper. It's definitely going to be staying on this desk. So with the buttons, these buttons are definitely a lot bigger than my Stream Deck, and it looks like the screen might be a little closer. Maybe. It doesn't look so recessed down into the system, but it's a very nice little thing. Now, this thing has RGB, and you know we have to have that gamer RGB, because without it, what are we? We're not gamers without the RGB. So let's take and see what the software is all about. And also it'll be down in the description if you're trying to purchase one of these like stream controllers. So let's get that software installed. All right, so I've taken and installed some apps, and we have ourselves a Magic 8 Ball. So if we press it, oh, I didn't ask it a question. Will this video get, let's say, 50-60 views? Most likely. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm not sure if you can see the text, but let's see. It's cool, and it plays the sound, and it said yes. Oh, that's very cool. That's pretty sick. We're gonna start recording. So the thing about connecting these OBS buttons is you have to go up to here. You need to go up to tools and then WebSockets. Make sure you enable WebSockets and then click apply, so it will apply, enabling the WebSockets. And then once you want to add a button, you will go, let's see, I had to look this up. I did not know that I had to do this to set this up, but that does mean you can set the buttons up for multiple OBSs. So you can have it set up for OBS on one computer and OBS for another computer. So that's actually might be kind of cool. So once you have it set up, you'll click on here. I will take and kick one of my buttons. And let's see, let's add a, oh, and they automatically reconnect. That's actually pretty good. Let's add a screenshot button, which it should come up here automatically, I think. So let's see the information, it'll automatically connect. So you'll put your information here, it'll automatically pop up, and you'll put an IP, the port, and the password. And once you have that in there, you will be able to use and connect to your OBS. Stop recording button, that works. So we're now not even recording on our screen, but if we press the button, let's see if I can show this. If pressing the button, boom, we're now recording. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's actually pretty nice. So yeah, with this thing and setting it up with OBS, pretty easy. It's actually kind of really cool that I can have it set up for multiple OBSs, because I have multiple setups. So I have this setup here that I record things at, and then I have the setup over here that I record videos at. So don't mind the mess over there, just recording B-roll. So yeah, let's see if we can add sound effects. So if we go to here, okay, we have sound effect. We'll click here, and then boom, that download. Now our sound effect is there. We'll change the volume. So now if we were to press our button, we should hear sound effect. Yep, sound effect is working. So enjoy it. So I wonder, can I just make it play over and over? Let's see. Play, replay, loop. Let's see, replay. Working. That's beautiful. So if you wanted to set this up as just a big soundboard, you could. I mean, the price of it, it's pretty cheap. The price of this thing is pretty cheap to actually set up your own soundboard. So if you are on stream and you're just like, oh, I want to have a nice little soundboard, you got your own soundboard. So, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Sorry that the light got dim. My light died and I had to switch to a different light, but don't worry about that. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later.